Happy Halloween! Welcome back to Jacob's Town, Farm Animals and Animal Sounds. What farm animal is that? Wait, let's hear it again. What farm animal is that? Oh, that's right, that's the rooster! Rooster. Rooster starts with the letter R. What farm animal makes that sound? Wait, let's hear it again. What farm animal makes that sound? Oh yes, a cow. Yes, a cow. Cow. Cow starts with the letter C. What farm animal makes that sound? Wait, let's hear it again. Goat! Yes, yes, it's a goat! Yes! Goat. Goat starts with the letter G. G. What sound does this farm animal make? A pig! Yes, yes, a pig! Awesome, guys! Pig. Pig starts with the letter P. What farm animal makes that sound? Wait, let's hear it again. A duck! Yes, yes, a duck! Duck. Duck starts with the letter D. 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 What sound does this farm animal make? Turkey! Yes, yes, a turkey! So beautiful. Turkey. Turkey starts with the letter T. 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 What farm animal makes this sound? Wait, let's hear carefully. A chicken! Yes, yes, a chicken! Chicken. Chicken starts with the letter C. Ch, ch. What farm animal makes that sound? Wait, let's listen. It's a sheep. Yes, yes, a sheep. Sheep. Sheep starts with the letter S. Sh, sh. What farm animal makes that sound? Yes, it's a horse. It's a brown, beautiful horse. Horse. Horse starts with the letter H. Thank you for watching, and happy Halloween, everyone. Boo!